Is it really worth $159 to have someone change your cabin air filter for you? I don't think so. These are less than 20 bucks and it only takes a few minutes. Let me show you how easy it is to do. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter in a 2016 Mazda CX-9. Just picked up this filter locally at our O'Reilly. It's a microguard, part number 4113. First thing we need to do is just open the glove box here and just drop it down. And if you look over here on the side, you see this little damper. It's almost like a little mini shock absorber. We can just take that off, kind of pull that with your finger off of the little stud, and that's free. And then on the glove box, we're just going to push in on the sides and drop that down. You can just lift the whole glove box off. See that hook right there on the glove box? Just hooks into these little tabs down below. You can just take it off and set it out of the way. All right, now we can take off this cover, and all you need to do is just squeeze these in and it'll come right out. We can set that aside, and then we can pull out this cabin air filter tray that holds our old cabin air filter. And you can see this one's packed pretty well with all kinds of stuff. Pull this one out. You can see the part number here, 4113, happens to be the same as the part number that we have, but this one was installed upside down. And it's a pretty common mistake because a lot of times people will look at the arrow here that says up, and then they'll just match that with the arrow that they see on the aftermarket filter. Although this arrow is indicating airflow, which does go down. It's a little confusing because sometimes the original filters also are stamped up or have an arrow that says up. But if it says airflow, then you do need to install it going down like this. But we're gonna toss this one and we'll put in the new one. And this does have that activated carbon. All right, so again here, this one says airflow, and so we know to put it down like this. The pleats are going this direction. You need to match that up. See, this one has a little ridge, so you just match that up with that. And in our case, we're gonna have this with the airflow going down just like it should be, and then just push it in underneath these little tabs, and now that's ready to go back in the car. All right, so we got the new filter in here, and we can just put the tray back in, make sure that it's pointing up, and then we can put this little cover back in. It almost has like two little tabs at the end, and those just slide in like so, and then just press that into place. And then we can put the glove box back in, just line up the bottom hooks with those little tabs and push it up until the little sides clip into place. And then just grab a hold of this little damper and line it up and just kind of push it onto that little stud like so. And you're done. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up one of these cabin air filters for your car as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.